Welcome to this channel. Ships Overview Series. What kind of ship is this? Motor tanker Celeste Nova, IMO 9534054, MMSI number 636020434, call sign Delta 5 Zulu Foxtrot 7, is a crude oil tanker that was built in 2013, 8 years ago, and is sailing under the flag of Liberia. Is a Vlcc vessel. Its carrying capacity is 318,510 tons deadweight, gross tonnage 164,169 tons, and her current draft is reported to be 10.5 meters. Her length overall, LOA, is 332.98 meters, and her width is 60.05 meters. Where is the ship? Crude oil tanker Celeste Nova is currently located at Oman Gulf at position latitude 25 degrees 17 minutes 58 seconds north, longitude 56 degrees 27 minutes 41 seconds east, as reported by Marine Traffic Terrestrial Automatic Identification System. Where is this vessel going to? The vessel is currently at Port Fujairah after a voyage of 2 months originating from Port Corfacan. Thank you for watching this video. Comment, like, subscribe, always.